Ang daming ang nagugulat pag nalalaman nilang 9,000 na ang monthly payment mo and yet may ganito ka na kagandang community. Sa entrance pa nga lang, mala high-end project na ang dating, may air-conditioned clubhouse ka pa na may resort style na swimming pool. Modern setup na nga rin ang playground, pati court, covered na rin. Plus factor pa nga dyan yung eco-friendly advocacy ng ating developer kung saan lahat ng unit ay may solar panel system at 2 rainwater tank system. Isa pa dito, may ready for occupancy at pre-selling units na pwede mong pagpili. O diba, sulit na sulit, kaya sure na kay Liora Homes, panalo ang investment mo. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, and for today, join me for another affordable home tour. Sa dami ng project na ino-offer namin dito sa Cavite, kung gusto mo affordable yet sulit na package, then you're watching right now the perfect house tour video. This is our Amora unit. May minimum lot area na 50 square meters, floor area is 44 square meters, and the unit is fully expandable. Semi-complete finish na rin, and guess what? Kasama na rin ang screen door, screen window, at even grills upon turnover. Kaya less expenses ka na during the renovation. For 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, at pwede ka magdagdag na another toilet and bath sa second floor. Tiles at room partition na lang ang kulang, pwede mo nang lipatan ng unit na to. And of course, may service area ka na napakaluwag for future kitchen renovation and provision for 1 carport. Perfect na perfect nga to for a starting family. Isa pa nga sa na-appreciate ko sa community, napakaaliwalas at ang lalaki ng road size natin. Estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig ay 14,000 a month lang, with required income na nasa 40,000 a month lang, at pwede ka mag-co-borrower. So paano? Baka si Amora Townhouse na rin ang para sa'yo. See you sa tripping at paalam!